Say you're going to have everything.
Yeah, man.
It takes so long, brother. You know, long man out there, so I wait.
Remember, say we have to run from police, you know.
Okay, man, in a say, yo. All my youth, them hungry too, you know, man.
What do you think I want, son, you have?
I'm hungry. Brother, just give me no man. You hold up my time, brother. I have things to do, you know, man.
All right, what is?
What is? What is it, give me? What is?
1,000 US that.
So, brother, 1,000 US no kill people, you know, man. I no kill people for 1,000 US no more than that, you know, brother. I'm telling you that, you know. Make sure you do something better on this, brother.
All right, since you're hungry, see 3 bills here. Yo, take it or leave it. Enough money that. You know what work me have to do? Brother, just go and humble yourself and stop going, so.
Brother.
Yo, no go on, sir. Don't make it thing look, sir.
I'm telling you, boy, Andre, feel like I say, man thing shake around here. I'm telling you, give me this. Oh, boy. I'm telling you. Hold that too.
Yo, bro, I'm in a class this morning. But I'm not like that. Oh, all the man in your teacher. When do you? Man, nice enough. Nice, you know, but not for me. So why not like your teacher for? She not teach me good things. What do you mean by that? You know what she said today? God, she asked me more when we grow up. Now, I'm going to be more entrepreneur when we grow up. Where you going to be? Well, I won't let my father. Serious? You go follow in your father's footsteps? Uh-huh. If you do that, I can't go follow you. I thought I know you follow me. So you're going to be when you grow up? That's more be like my father, brother. No, if I never did like father, that's what you're going to be. Good man. Seriously? Yes. Mario, those cockies are dirty. Because I'm here to wash my own clothes them. Serious? Your father know what them feel? Stop chat with my father. Chat about fear when we now work. Oh, look, my father wash my khaki. Look, it's your father. So when you want to become in the group? Father, so I'm not to be no gunman. Because you know, no police lock me up and I'm go dead. I'm going to go in a jail. He said I'm going to be one doctor. So you want to be one doctor then? So can you go play ball then?
Yeah, we're glad to see you, Keisha.
Evelyn,
Talk loud, man.
Evening, man.
You just say good evening, you can't tell him good evening.
So me not acknowledge him, Richie, where you want. What?
All right, Elim, stand up down with me. I talk to you, mother here. Keisha. No, man, nobody look like that. I don't really come for quarrel or nothing. Keisha, listen to me, I say. All me come for say, we live in the same community. We don't live too far. And at no time, at no point in time, you can't even spend even one like a weekend with the youth or nothing. Just to make sure say you know you.
Richie, what make you pressure me? No, explain to me, what me ever do to you? When we were together, me tell you, say, me no want a youth, me not ready for no picnic. Are you know? And I gave you the child. So what the issue?
Keisha.
Me never tell you, say, me I go sit down with no picnic.
But Keisha no like say, boy, I no like say, I beg you if you give me money if you help with the youth or nothing. All me I say, just to make you know you. That's all me I ask her.
What me do to you? More than one time, I say, stop coming me yard about this youth thing. Me never tell us that me want to be a mother. You know me never ready to be a mother. You wanted to get me pregnant. And you do it, you know? This wasn't no mistake. You do it, me bring the picnic give you. Right? So what the problem now? What is it?
All me I say, just to make you even know you, make you know, say, boy, at least you love him.
No, me fear the and then what? Because me not have time to sit down with no picnic, you know. Me not have no time to sit down with no picnic.
Why, Keisha? I don't know. I can't be tested, you know.
Oh, me bitter. Me not bitter. Me never tell us that me want to do this. Me can't come peering to the pop up on me yard every day. See ALM here, or me come to ALM and have time.
Yo, me not say in shop. Eh? Yo, bad man, your session on you. Lift up the man.
Everything good, Keisha. Everything good.
Yo, Rena, come down, my girl. No, I'm here. I want the magnum and the tree long love them, you know, man.
Daddy, you know, love me.
Because she's because she got through a whole heap of things. But she soon love you, man. Don't worry yourself. But no, just know some me love you, here.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
They just chat to man. I must have made up on CD, watch this and a 3D Mario they run there and I'm not going there.
But that have nothing to do with me. You know have nothing to do with me, you know.
You have nothing to do.
But the longer you're there, so I talk to me, I could have gone a shop already.
Yo, go on there, man. Correct now. 3D, man. Hurry up.
Yo, teacher tell me say you follow company at school, you know. You hear me I try to tell you something, you know, synagogue school for keep friend, you know. I synagogue school for learn. What me say?
My son will go to school for learn.
Alright. Alright, last time I'll take 2 bananas and pay for them tomorrow, you know.
Only banana.
Only banana, alright. Well, listen. I'm saying I don't want you keep nobody company at school.
Alright.
Walk up, man, because you're late. I say no go to school for learn. Come right as well across the road. If you just look up and look up the road and down the road. Alright, boss. And when I say don't keep no company, focus on learning. What I say?
No keep no company,
Talk up me now, what you say?
So if you keep no company, focus on learning.
Alright. Hurry up, hurry up across the road. Alright, later in the bossy.
Later. Home not your school foreign. Well, my father sitting now. What's school? Your father listen up. Just about few and parents. My father sent me to go to school and me get education. If you want to send me to go to school, go to. It don't really matter. You forward me to school and so like. No, me go to school. Brother. You can go on about your business and go on. Look at one boy. You like a so girl. Yo!
Come here. Here go on. This is for your lunch money for your week, you know.
No school not keep.
I mean, so no school and keep.
Teacher them say, water gone for 2 days now. So we have to stay home until water come back.
So then teacher they then go on like them brighter than anybody else, you know. But everything good, so but just go on while on for that you can go on. Is it me?
Right.
So you're good?
Mm-hmm.
You what? Don't worry yourself, you know, man. So when I reach a age, me and you touch road, you know. You understand? Me and you touch road. Just go and do that and get something for eat. Zane?
Yeah.
Food in the house. You're man, you know, man. You understand? As I'm saying, I make no little boy at school feel like he can't say, you know. Not take no program. You hear me say?
Yeah.
Do the right thing. Just go on in the house and something. So come. Zane?
Alright.
Just go and run off the place.
Hey, my brother, what going?
How a breeze blow down?
No, see. I want staff function. Remember, say merchandising me doing, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like a staff function. Me attend down here to the side here. But me know say here so you know I'm be stay, you know. So that's why I say let me walk come up here so before me head back home. But that's something I really come to talk to you about.
What that? Who trouble you?
Nobody not trouble me. Nobody not to trouble me, you know.
You make sure you know.
God, easy man. Me know how you stay, you know. You know, nothing like that. The other day me a pass up here, right? But me couldn't stop because a vehicle me did it. And I see somebody like Mario, so me I wonder. And it was school hour at the time, so me I wonder why Mario never did at school if it was Mario. Mario go to school?
He go to school anytime. I don't know anytime he feel like I say he want to go to school, he go to school, you know.
What do you mean by when him feel like him go to school?
Oh, I'm telling you, I go like I say, I don't know how we grow. You don't know say how we grow ourselves.
Is the same way you plan to make your picnic and grow? I don't understand what you're trying to say to me right now.
A boy picnic that the man, he have to grow rough.
Yeah, he can grow rough, but at the same time he can go to school, right?
What school I do for him?
What you mean with school? You know how much
Well, that he can read and he can write, right?
You know, say you're reason like a very unintelligent man. I mean, I like your way of reasoning. We know say I straight to all we grew up in, I know. But at the same time, you can't make your youth come in the same situation, in the same dirty lifestyle where we grew up in.
How does that come to me about?
Listen, I'm a nephew. You understand? It's my nephew, and I have to have him best interest at heart. It's your son and you, I said that. So what you left me if you say no?
Okay, no, man, just... You want to go to school, man. I make sure you say go to school tomorrow.
Honestly, I never know for him, but there's somebody looking just like Mario.
He ain't not going to school today, man. He probably down the side with his friend them down the road.
No, man. Mario just pen. You can't have the youth just leg up on the road then with it.
So I'm for do. I can't have him around yourself. I can't have him around me.
I just 10-year-old pitney. Are you supposed to control your pitney? Yeah, allow the streets to raise your child?
It seems like you forgot where you come from.
No, I haven't. But the thing is, you know, so whenever you get to education is what? A change in your behavior. Once you get educated certain ways, your behavior will change.
An educated slave, you call that, man. I'm
What do you
telling
mean
you.
educated slave? So me making my money means that I'm an educated slave?
You see me? You see everybody around us, so have to give me money.
So you're an extortionist?
Extortion. Me a security.
So you're a security whole neighborhood?
So I feel like I say no government to protect the people around us. And me I protect the people around us.
You know, I think me I go run now, you know, because obviously what me I say now make no sense to you.
I'm thinking they come down and come tell me, say, come say you win a lotto and you give me a big money and you come tell me. Oh, I'm telling you, man. Well, I love you too, you know, man. If I want boy this year, you call me and you see me.
Listen, I don't know what I do lifestyle there. I mean, now go back this way. You know, say my head not no right already. I'm done with the badness. You understand?
Yeah, man. Cause
Listen, you need to take up your youth in hand and stop. Let go your picnic on the road. Anyways, may I come go back at the function? It must almost soon over now.
so you want me to do? You want me to say them come here? Eh?
You know why you just let go your picnic on me? Frank, you not go on good, but me have to go back at the function now, so later.
Do you do, man?
You're the fan bike, you can't drop me out the road. That far me where I come from, you know.
Don't say no gas into this bike here right now.
So yeah, protect the neighborhood and you don't have gas in it. $1,000 for gas for bike, you know.
Yeah, put some gas in there?
No man, it's alright. So you protect the whole neighborhood and you know $1,000 for buy gas put in for your bike?
Just like how you do, you say you do merchandising and you can't even make a link.
My money have to pay my rent and take care of my bills there.
So you can't make a link and make a call and make a run in for the place and...
You know, so you need to break out of that criminal mentality that you have though.
So how you think we're so...
You're going dead bad if you continue.
Yeah, better you go on to you, man, because you can't talk about dead, you know, you have no negative argument.
Yeah, go dead bad.
Just go on where you go to you, man.
Take care of yourself and stay out of trouble anyways later.
But I don't mind, I'm show you something, because you feel like I say, you see this protect.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah? This protect.
Frank, me warn you, you know? Me warn you. Stay out of trouble and I same road and Maria head down.
Nobody wash your mouth for Maria and I'm telling that to them.
Wash my mouth and that I go happen anyways.
Nobody wash your mouth for him.
Just to make police catch you, because I don't bail you. I don't bail money either.
Thing good, man. We know if you live a road and we know if you live a jail. You hear that? Tell her that.
I agree. There no bro. You know no money? No. Bro, that from money. Me not eat no. No, me not eat. No belly. Food on my yard, you know, in the fridge. But me not pay for good on this right now. How easy me I pay for good right now. You have money? No. So how you go get money? Take me to take up some things. I go on easy myself. You can't do that. My father said me no feel like out yard. Bad man, and everything my father say no, if you follow him, you know. I'm my virgin brother, trust me. We all go up there, we all take up some things and come back on. You know, I get myself in no trouble, you know. Bad man, you know, I get no trouble with me and you there, so brother. Then by night, you always scared, you know. You're not scared. I said to my father. And everything where your father tell you if you follow, brother. I'm my virgin, follow me, say. Yo, forward, brother. Watch out, not if you back. Forward. So bro, what you have profit leaf? Setting so orange juice. And that really what teeth do you know? So where you go to now? You are going to distract him, man. You are going to distract him. You are going to distract him, man. I'm going to take up the 200 orange juice then. Alright. Forward. Sir. You have no egg.
Oh, egg is right there.
Alright, we can get some different egg, like different kind of egg.
There's no other eggs but the one that are in the fridge. What is it you want?
Like the other egg shape.
There are no other eggs but what is there. Okay?
You ready?
Hold on there, young man. You did not come in here with any bag. What's in the bag? Give me the bag. What is your name?
Ellen.
Do you know that I know your father? I know your father. What is in the bag? What is this? What is this? You're in trouble, young man. You are definitely in trouble. No. You stay right here. You're not going anywhere. Stand right there. I will be having a word with your father regarding this situation. You know that you have stolen this, right? And I should be talking with your father regarding this situation. What is the meaning of this? Huh? What is the meaning of this? You're in trouble, young man. Come with me. Go in there. Stay right here. Do not move. Stay right here, okay?
Oh, go on, Mr. Joseph.
How are you, Mr. Ichi? You know, I mean, meaning to come and see you. It's about your son. Did you know he came here and stole some things from my big fish? He and that, I don't know what to call that boy. I believe it's Frank's son.
You sure it's my son?
Yes. I know him. He's ever with that boy, Frank. Ever with that boy. Yes.
So, hold on. So you take things them, or you try to steal them?
Actually, I had to stop him and ask him to stay in here. I took 2 orange juice out of the backpack they had. And by the time I went to return it, he just slipped out through.
Well, I'm sorry about that, you know, Mr. Joseph. I know I know some grew him. I know. Remember, I known you for many years. Boy, it's unfortunate.
All right, may I apologize. That would be $200.
You know, so me left my wallet.
That's okay. You can pay me later.
All right, me deal with it tomorrow.
No problem.
All right, so Mr. Joseph again, me sorry about that. Cause right now, it's me go up and kill me with lick, you know.
Listen, just talk with him. Just have a very serious talk with him. Okay?
All right. Thank you again. All right.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, man.
Enjoy your day.
out here, sir. I want to talk to you. Come out here, sir. Sit down right there, sir. Where you go today?
No, where daddy?
You not going nowhere today?
No.
Hey, let me know. You tell me no lie now. You not go down a Joseph shop today?
No.
You see, me not like liar, you know. Me don't like liar. Mr. Joseph tell me say, you come down there with Frank thiefing boy and I try thief things on my store. Me not going on criminal, you know. Me not going on thief. Me not have food in the fridge. Answer me, you have mouth.
Yes, daddy.
Me have food in the fridge. So when me left there, me say, anything you want in the fridge, it was in the fridge. You left all the way with the little thiefing boy, gone down so. A prison you want to go, and a thief you want done?
No, daddy.
Listen. Anything you want, you ask me for it. Right?
Alright.
Ask me for it. And when me say don't left for yard, me simply mean say don't left for yard.
Alright.
See there, you know. Your mother not too care about you, you know. From when me ask her, say, yo, fi even just keep you for few days, or sitting, she has say, boy, she have things to do and places to go. So listen, me don't want to have to talk to you again. Do not make me see you keep that little boy company.
Yes, daddy.
All right?
Yes, daddy.
You bed for a morning?
No.
All right, go on that house and go bed right now.
Yo, my boss, go and eat a peanut butter and bread, man. I don't know anything setting up. You understand? Do the right thing. Make sure, say, you understand? I don't want to run off the corner just like me, you know. Outside, my general. Bless up. Yo, Mario. Where you come from?
I come from the road.
I'm not here, you know.
I come from the road.
Down the road?
Mm-hmm.
You know, say, auntie come link me this morning and tell me, saying, see you up on the road. Listen to me, man. Just stay off the road too much. You see me? I want to do they out too much, especially in a school time, because if the government will come, I mean, they will come to you, know. And I don't tell her, say, I don't want no police in my yard, brother. I tell her that from no. So anything you do, you do it discreetly. Right, sir? I don't want no police come in my yard, that me I tell you. Because you say some police boy violate and kill all them other two, you know. That's why I don't like police, you know. Because some boy from around the lane, they say they diss me, you know. I'm going to go over there, go beat some shot over there, you know. And some police, yo, should even know, man. When we escape, shoot up a car, and your mother dead. We end up escaping in nearby bushes. Yeah, so that's a bit of like police. Mario, me I tell you. If me have a police boy, I'll certainly, man, me wrench me gun in your face. That me I tell you, sir. That's what I tell you. You know, you just have to be vigilant. You understand? Stay out of trouble, no, but I will keep a friend thing. You understand? Do your thing by yourself because a friend sell out friend. You understand? What's my name?
Frank Snatcher.
All right. Anytime you all run, say go anyway. You're free for run up on the run, sir. But my work can't come with my work. Yeah, you hear me, sir?
No, so I'm going to Joseph shop today. I go buy some money, run me out.
What do you mean you run out? Run out for what?
I don't know. You just run me out.
Don't worry yourself, man. I'll pay Joseph a visit. And so when I pay Joseph this a visit, he won't know, say next time when you see you not running out, you anything at all, you come in so far that I charge you. Anytime, what I say? Anytime I show Joseph this a visit, I'm sure you know. Yo, as me I say, it's a thing me I deal with now, you know. So you're good. Just go on in and go on up and go bathe and change your clothes and stuff. And stay off the road. When at night time, nobody there out there, you know, because out there so grimy at night time. You hear me say?
Alright.
Yo, shop boy. You tell her this. You see him? You see, anytime I see him come around here, so, and he want nothing in here, so, you give him. You hear me tell her? You don't know what my name. You know me, right? Yo, you see when I see him, anything at all he want in this shop, you make sure you say you give him, you know, like give him a hard chat, you know. You don't know what me be? Eh? Let me make dark cloud far around this. You can't see me youth to come and shop and tell him boy you don't want thing, come in your shop. Eh? That's not easy. You can't just... Yo, I'm telling this in the old boy. You see this? If yo, know what you do, you hear? Know what you do. You can't see man pitney and come around here and come feel like you can violate.
Did he tell you what he did?
He man tell me say you don't want him, he come around here and you tell him say no for come back around here. If you tell him man that, eh? I look at you, if you want some feed and come in your shop to come buy, what you feel like I say?
That's not correct. He actually came here and tried to steal.
Liar! You lie! You never take nothing from the shop. Stop the lie on me.
Yo, I'm telling you this. Nobody make me have to come back around and say again, you know, old boy. Cause you feel like I say you can diss my youth. You know what me be? Me burn down this place here, you know.
This is the way you're actually raising your child? If this is the way, its end will not be good.
So you try to say, me not grow my child good. But that you try to say,
Not
close pan him back and me give him. Everything when I want and me buy them give him. What you try to say?
if this is the way you are raising your child, you will not have a prosperous ending.
The best thing, you know, the best thing we do is we can live from yourself. Because of broad daylight, you know, and day something, you know, old boy. And you can't tell me about my youth, you know. I'm tell her that, you know. Just know, so next time when I see him, I violate him, you know. You hear me, I tell her? Oh, yo, come on. Cause, yo, I shot my fire on this, you know. I'm burning down this, you know, if I feel like a old boy, I want to tell you. Big Batty Julie.
I'm sorry for that child. Wow. This present day generation.
Alright, so here we go on now, boss.
Mm.
Me go to work. See money with the pan the dresser? I feel for go to school. And me left breakfast on the stove. So eat, tie out the goat them before you go, and bathe and go on to school.
Yes, Daddy.
Alright? And you see yard, when you come back from school, when you sweep up the yard. And listen to me, I tell you, say, me no want when you come home from school, nobody have to tell me, so they see you nowhere with Frank, dirty boy.
Yes, Daddy.
Me no want you keeping company, what me just say.
So, I'm going to keep in company with Frank, dirty boy.
Alright, so here we go on now. Go in and make sure you comb your head and clean your shoes.
Right.
So do what me say and everything alright.
Yes, Daddy.
Me love you, you hear that?
Yes, love you too.
Alright, so go on in and do what you have to do. And later.
Right. Later.
Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ellen! Yo! Why pray? No. Yeah, for the river. No, me go to school. Boy, where you go to school for? Me go learn. School of English. What is it? School of English. Up a river we go. No go no river. Who says so? My father, so I'm not for power with you. Who care about your father? Father, we are go to river right now. We go to school. Brother, you move like a sissy. Yeah, girl, brother. Father, we are go to river. We not go nowhere. Yeah, girl or boy? Boy. So boy pick me move. Boy pick me move like a boy. Girl move like a girl. Father, brother, we are go to river. We not go. So if you can't tell me for the brother. I'm near your road, brother. Father, brother, to river, we are go. Mommy. Give me 2 reasons, Kenaza. I have to go to school. And I have to learn. That are 2 reasons. Put 2 more pan. I have to get education. You know, get no education at school, you know. Your father not teach you nothing good. If you don't want to come, I tell all the boys them for school, say, you're a girl, you move like a girl. Come on. Come on. Yo, bro. Today I best day, no, because school, you know. My father not really busy about me, you know. Because if I go to school, you know, I think I'm not really bad. How about you? You're not going to get in no trouble. What? You think you're not going to get in no trouble? Why you not getting no trouble, boy? Only girls get in trouble. Sometimes boys get in trouble.
What are you doing here? You should be in school, you know.
What make you in a shop? Go sell your customers then.
I shall be informing your parents about this.
It's not gonna make no difference if you tell your parents.
Young man, I will not tolerate that type
Go
of
back to
talking.
the shop, please and thank you. Why are you not at your shop?
I shall be telling your parents about this.
It's not gonna make no difference if you tell your parents.
I will not tolerate that kind of attitude.
I might go to your shop and go sell your customers, please. Sell your customers, bye. Yo. Oh, come go and sing. Come here, but I didn't be here.
Send me something in the shop, Joseph.
Come here. I need to tell you something. On my way here to open the shop, I saw your son at the river today. Should he be in school?
Why, Mr. Joseph? Not here, me try hard. After this morning, me I left go work, me tell the little boy, I say, if he just ready and go on to school, you know. And I really river and left and gone. Yo, you see, anytime I go home, I gotta deal with him, man, because me continuously talk to him and look like talking, nah help. And the little you know, say I'm alone. And look how hard, man, I feel out there work, and this him do to me. Ay, God, no, you don't even understand, you know. I swear to God, you wouldn't even understand, man. But thank you for your look out for me, youth, still, because We need more people like you in our community to look out for you, them, you know.
I couldn't agree with you more. As a concerned parent, you know, because it takes a village to raise a child.
Right. All right, yeah, but I don't even think about everyone in our shop again, you know. I just saw good and just deal with him. So thank you again, all right?
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, man, that good. Because God know me, I try hard. Thank you still, thank you.
I'm so sorry.
All right. Where you come from?
No way.
No, where you not come from? And you lose your manners, you don't know what to say when you see me. What you say?
Even daddy.
Evening, daddy. Let me ask you a question. Me ask you a while ago where you come from. You going to tell me, say, no way. How come you wake up? Me tell you, say, when you come home from school, you have to sweep up the yard and left the yard. But obviously, say, you don't go to school because me hear from Mr. Joseph, say, from morning, you're the river. And me tell you, say, yo, stop keep from dirty picnic company. I know, you not hear what me I say. A man, you done for me. Listen, man, tell to talk to you, you know. Go on, pop, Mr. Tick, come, me deal with you. Go on. What is your car come give me? This look like a piece of tick to beat you. Go and get sitting bigger. Go and get sitting bigger. Give me, you fi here. You fi here, 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 you fi here. Go in. Damn little boy, yo, cho. Me can't bother you know.
Yo, Mario, really? They pull up on myself. Mario, I can't screech up on me, you know. I have to know better than that. Suppose me did fire one out time. Where you come from? It looks so wet up.
Yeah, I come from river.
River? It's a river there all day?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, hero. Come on fire road, you know. Let's go and lock off the place. You understand? I'm gonna change your clothes, man, and mine will catch up cold. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
I'm gonna wash your hair.
You know wash already?
Alright. So what you do?
I'm hungry now.
You hungry? Yo. Just go in and shop around and buy some food, see? And make sure so they give you back a change, you know. Then? And look, I must come home tonight.
Which part I go?
I'm growing a Simone, yeah. Then? You see, if the other one after me there, you don't see me. Then? Who?
Which one?
Which one? Yeah. Any one of them come Papa go ask them. It's time something to do. See? I remember you lock up your house and anybody knock, don't let them in. See? Come and say, don't let them in, nobody. Come and almost forward the internet, I go in our yard. Then, or you can come off our road. And next time I sneak up someone. I don't know no man around some grime, you know, as a ants move with dead.
Yo, I'm not say for you. You know, say. My father say, you know, if you keep your company, your bad company, you and your father a good man. Who tell you so? My father. My father no good man, brother. This other day, when I did go river, and when I come back, my father beat me. You laugh, I know funny. Don't funny. A little lick you once over, bro. Look here, my father have a gun. So when I ask you if your father a good man, you say your father no good man. I never want to know that. Brother, you're a liar, tell your father no good man. Brother, me not tell no lie, a liar tell. You see me have smirk on my face, come on, me show you. Me can't prove you what is a foul now. You sure say you want to see it? Alright, tell them. Cynthia. My father from this. Me have back brother. You afraid? You afraid I? Come see it. No, brother. You can't hold it. You're not hold it. My father could say not hold it. Cynthia. Brother, you can't hold it. Please answer, please.
Hello?
Daddy.
To you.
Accidentally took a gun and shoot LM.
What? Which part?
Right over your farm.
Mario, stay ready. Me soon come.
Alright. LM, wake up, LM. Wake up, brother, wake up.
Yo, you alright?
Mm-hmm.
Get up. Yo, come on.
Say the lift from there, so daddy.
Come on, man. Come to you. Yo, come on. Yo, come get some clothes. Go up your auntie, cause yo, we can't make it, yo. How tell us I got into this, so?
Did you see your put in there?
Mr. Joseph, give me a minute.
Oh, what's up, Richie? What can I do for you now?
Yeah.
You look worried.
You know see my son?
No, I have not seen him. What's wrong?
You know, so from evening, from me come home, I walk, I look for him. I don't know when there. Boy, me just go upset and Frank dirty son up and down with, you know. I swear. Come me talk to him over and over. Until me no know what more to do. God know.
I'm sorry to know. I'm so sorry to know.
Alright, so you what? You see if you see him, just tell him something I look for him and send him down for me, please.
No problem.
Alright. Mr. Joseph, me don't know what more to do. Me try smooth with that little boy there and he just come like he kill you and kill me or something.
Richie, I've known you for a very long time, and I know that you've always working hard to put food on this boy's table. And to know that you're being so frustrated.
All right, Mr. Joseph. If you see him, just send him down for me, please.
I wish you all the best.
All right, yeah, man.
Take it easy.
Yo, listen, move here. Yeah, move here. Wait, listen, yes, sir, driver. Yeah, man, yes, sir.
Keisha.
Nobody, no. I hears me and if you know you know no right for you come here do.
Keisha, just sound some man. And I beg me, I beg you nothing, you know. Just take 1 minute and just listen to me and say, Keisha, me send ALM go shop. How long and he no come back? Me I wonder what could have happened to him. Me even go down at Mr. Joseph shop or ask me if he see him. So that me there ask to say, if you see him.
You know have him loose everywhere. Ain't wine with a day me yard. Me I feed him.
Hey, Keisha, just listen to me and say no. All me ask to say if you see him. And if he lose, yeah, I'm mad, you could have just send him go yard or play a little role and like. But I'm not after me now quarrel about that right now. And that me really have focus man. Keisha, I no quarrel, me a quarrel. All me a simple ask to say if you just see him.
Me pass him on the road with Frank boy.
You pass him with Frank? And me tell him to don't keep Frank's son company, you know.
Obviously, I have your pitney and he not listen to you because he not live with me. Why he would have listen to me?
All right, that good. Me just want to know, say, me find him. That good, all right.
You know, because this.
Yo, when me see him, man, kill him, you know. Come you know, man, me don't tell him to tap keep that dirty pitney in the company about him gone over in yard. The man if you walk up and down like an idiot, I look for him. You come, Jesus Christ, man. You come, oh God, man, oh God, I'm sorry. Jesus Christ, me sorry, oh God.
Yeah, bossy. So, we look on the crime scene. I found a spent shell, a single spent shell around there. So I'm assuming it was one shot that was fired. I walked through the house. It's a bit ransacked. You see your house?
No, officer, I feel Virgin when they saying son and my son did move over here, Frank house.
Oh, okay. So Frank and his son, where are they? Have you seen them?
No, officer, I just come see my son lay down on this dead. So I feel say either Frank or his son killed my son.
So you and Frank have anything?
No, officer, me and Frank have. The only thing me did a complain about say my son a keep Frank son company and me no want him keep him company. Me and Frank no have nothing. But everybody in the community knows that Frank a bad man and he having gun and thing.
So this is a known fact that Frank is a gunman?
I'm not going to say I'm a gunman, no bossy, but people say things, you know.
Boy, it's very sad. It's very sad, but we're going to do a proper investigation. So we're going to need a statement from you. So I don't know if it's possible that you could come down to the station right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, I know it's a hard time for you right now, but the sooner we can get things rolling, the better, you know? And move forward. But first of all, we need to find Frank and his son. So,
all right, officer. Do that, man. Just try to find him and figure out what happened, officer. 'Cause right now, God know. Right now, I don't even know what me I gotta do.
and take a little time and just settle a little bit. And then you can come down to the station.
All right, officer. All right.
Yeah, man. And if you see Frank or his son, you just give me a call personally.
All right.
All right?
If your auntie over there still know, but don't tell her nothing, Zane. Don't tell her what you do, you know. You hear me say? Don't tell her nothing. John!
What's going on?
Hear me, I say. Me can't too tarry, you know, but here we go, you can't keep him for me.
So hold on, I know school time now.
No, man, it's school day, say some flu go around, so they send him home for 1 or 2 weeks, couple days.
All of 2 weeks. So you get sick leave from doctor?
I still get that, man, but hear me, I say, I kind of depend on a little worry, you know.
Make sure, say, I don't know ganja you that kept on boat, you know, you hear about the youth from Westmoreland where they kill.
Old news that, man, no business with that, man, but hear me, I say, just hold on for him for me. Zane?
I mean, nephew, me not have a choice. Come in and Mario. So, you know, if I money for me, can buy a little food.
So, sis, you can't feed, I'll never feel a little time in there.
Me not even have no money, you know, so me not get paid until the next 2 weeks.
Well, me carry money come here then, man. Me make you get the money for you, man.
Make sure you come back, you know, because I know your style.
Just do the right thing. Mario, just
So
remember...
come here, go so you're not tarry.
No, man, me can't stay, man. Mario, just remember, say, remember me tell you here.
Yeah.
Watch out now. Everything good, you know. I just say you go here. Love you here.
What am I missing here? Me don't understand.
A good man, a good man. Yeah, man, I say, just go and hold on for him until me come back, man. Me make you get the money for him. Zane?
If you want 5 grand, you can't live.
Sis, just no, man. I trade even know, man. I hurry, come up here, you know. See that.
What kind of big emergency? It's alright.
Just don't worry about it, man. Just don't worry yourself. You understand? Just keep him inside. Understand?
Alright then.
Hey, Mario. Just remember what I tell you here.
Say talk to your father, boy. You hungry? No shake your that me. Hold on. Awesome. Mario, let me pull up this here. Mario!
Yes, auntie.
I don't understand this. Come here. What you do on the news?
No.
What you mean you don't know? This I say you and your father personal interest in one shooting down in Westmoreland. What happened here, so?
No, auntie.
I know your name Mario Brown.
Yes, auntie.
What you do on the news?
No, auntie.
Don't lie to me, Pitney.
No lie, auntie.
What you mean by you know what me talk about, yes, so? See there? Them all get a picture. You and your father. So you mean to say you're following your father dirty footstep them? I can't take up gun before time? Are you police? Are you a soldier? Why not do it gun?
No, auntie.
Open up your mouth and talk to me, boy.
Auntie, no.
Hey, I will knock out your teeth, them, you know? You know, let me talk to your father. Let me call this man, yeah? Can't come here and left your palm me and, you know, explain none of this to me. A problem you don't want to come put me in, hey, no police now come haul and pull me in here, you know? Kakad. Come back out here. What the pitney, like this one. Hello? No, yo, sis, me no. So if me never go for news, me would realize, say, you want for your pitney shoot somebody at Westmoreland. I know you can't let off your pitney down your palm if the police come haul and pull me. I can't even hear. What you say?
Just warm to you.
What you mean warm to me? It's like you not understand the gravity of the situation. You...
Hear me, I say no. Just go and hold on for him, man, until let me start this out.
No mix me up, you know. Listen, me no want no problem with the police, you know. Come for your picnic today, yeah.
Yeah, you know what I even like. That's why I'm not too like big people, not, you know, man. I'm to you, man. Yo, I'm fully done, so girl. I'm to you,
But you...
come. Yo, as a matter of fact, don't deal back with me there, no, man.
Remember, say your picnic still there, my place. Come for your picnic before me call the police.
You know, yo, yeah. Fair name is sister.
Oh, so now you threaten me. You think say you and your bad man friend them can't do me nothing. Remember say my link stall too, you know. Remember that, you know.
I'm come for my picnic.
Come for your picnic, because I will call the police. Come off of my phone. You come mix up on yourself and then you know I come mix up me too. Come like a fear poopa now and catch her today, you know. You better come for you.
Yo, I'm to you, sis. I'm to you.
Nobody come here so with the bad man vibe to me, you know. You know say my head not good either.
So you can't move, sir. You move like I say you want to sell out your family for police. I'm to you.
So you plan to grow your pitney? By the way, where you get gun from?
You know the thing set, man. We have enough gun about the place, man, and I pitney them and he take up one of them and he don't know what to do. A mistake and a purpose.
You know what I'm saying? I feel like I got to adapt the pitney from you because you don't know how to raise your own pitney. You're not even having any sense if you can't talk to me as a little sister, make me know how to handle the situation. You just can't let off your pitney. Suppose when me look, me see police come. Me don't know if you tell police because I don't know the situation.
Yo, sorry about that, man. But you don't know a thing such a sis. You know a thing such a man. When I have out there go and work and make money, you know.
How will you get them in US from?
Just people. The thing said me on a fool.
Me warn you about them bad business that we are mixed up in, you know.
Yo, Ira. Sorry for the inconvenience, man, and the troubles we cause. Ira, just get some things and something.
Me need the money, you know, but me can't take it because me know say some bandolo business here, you know. But the best advice me can give you as a bigger brother, report to yourself, bring yourself to the police.
You must say you're not learn nothing, you know. You're not to learn, you know. What do you mean bringing yourself to police? Right now,
you don't understand that what you guys did is wrong.
A mistake.
Mistake. That is why you're going to bring yourself to the cops.
Hear me, I say.
You can't afford to have your little 10-year-old pitney pan run like this. What kind of lifestyle this?
Hear me, I say. Upon the boat, we are start out for going now.
Boat? What do you mean by boat? So you plan for run when I left Jamaica?
So you want to do? Get locked up? Eh? Tell me legacy that, you know. You feel like I said me I make no boy come this make my youth. Eh?
You're not set no good example for your pitney.
Yo, Mario, go for your things them, Kako.
Mario?
Yo, don't listen to
really...
Go for your things them, Kako, man, and listen to that woman, man.
Listen.
If you can't look up no
Me don't want to hear say me never dead all because of you female look this papa, you know.
Just me.
Mario, please do not follow into your father.
Just remember say you run him out, you know.
Me not run him out. All me I say, you should have tell me the situation.
If nothing happened to you, nobody call me. You hear? Well, good. You can't take me
Listen,
so.
you're
good,
not
man.
setting no good example.
You're good, man. Yo, come on.
God help them.
Hey, boat man there, you know. Hey, sit down right, sir. Mario, I'm disappointed, Mario. Oh, if you carry your friend come in your yard, come show him where you gone there. Eh? Disappointed, brother. No, look. You don't want the money, man, I figure around there now. Left. You don't want the people who owe me money. Yo, well, sir, just line up your boat there. I'm so forward. I'm talk to him there. Just gas up your boat. How much money I have to spend you know for go Mario? God no, Mario, man. I'm disappointed, man. I'm not telling a lie. I left, man. Should I left for two, you know?
What daddy are you really want to be like?
You want to be like me, Mario?
Yes.
You think some life nice, Mario? Huh? You think say out in the street? Why you think some not bring you on road with me?
So where you find money and buy a gun then?
How me find money? Hard work, sweat and tears, Mario. Enough boy me have to bust up their face.
So you try to say that can protect me too?
Yo, run, man, run.
No! Daddy! Jesus, let me see. You!
I am Detective Barnett of Savlamar, and today we caught up with Frank the Snatcher, right? We are here on the crime scene currently, where a shootout took place with him based on intelligence that I received from a confidential informant. He was here getting ready to leave on one of these boats, you know, heading to Haiti, but thankfully we're just in time. He's now passed and gone. The community can breathe a sigh of relief. I personally can breathe a sigh of relief, right? And we are pleased, and I'm happy to say that the gentleman that lost his son as a result of this dangerous individual, this menace to society, right? That was known for extortion, robbery, murder, criminality was involved with it. But today I can say justice has been served, and I was the one to serve it.
God. Reggie. Oh, baby. Reggie. Oh. Reggie. Reggie, my son.
Keisha, stop. Stop, Keisha, stop.
Son, Reggie, my son.
Nobody, Keisha, nobody not there for you try to impress, you know. I don't me try to tell you, nobody there for you impress, no, Keisha. Keisha, stop. Take a minute and listen to me and say. Listen to me and say, Keisha. More you think long and hard, how much time me come and me plea and me beg you say, yo, just be a part of youth life. Play a role in life and you don't care about him. But now when you hear saying dead and me there start trying to pick up the pieces, you are ball and come carry on. No bother with the Keisha. No bother with it. All me have to tell you say, now that we youth pass and gone, me don't have no ties. We don't have nothing. So me can see her, me cannot know you. And everything.
I can't get one more chance today, Richie. I can't do this. I'm sorry.
All chances gone, Keisha, and I make no sense of ball.
Richie, no.
Keisha, come out of my yard. Come out of my yard.
You're not telling me nothing when I'm
don't want you will hear. You will out in the streets, you will hear.
Please.
Keisha, I don't want to push out of my yard, come out of my yard. I beg you, please. Go on.
Mr. Richie, you know, it pains my heart to be doing this, giving you rum to drink. I don't think I'm doing you justice. I've known you for so long. It really, really hurts me deep down.
Sir Joseph, you don't know what me I got through, you know. You don't understand, man. It's the only thing right I know where really calm me down, you know, man. And keep me from doing something I don't want to do, you know.
Mr. Richie, I hope for you it's the last amount of rum I will be taking to you. This is not the answer for what you're going through. I want you to be strong. I've known you for a very long time. And I know, in spite of what you're going through, you are a very strong person.
Yo, at least then catch Frank and kill him, you know. Because right now, if I didn't know all him, man, yo, sure do even know, yeah, man. Sure do even know.
My friend, do not store vengeance in your heart. It will not help you, only make you be more angered. You just need to be strong in all of this. That is what is going to push you to overcome all of this. And as for me, I think that you have it in you to overcome.
Right, give thanks, man. Give thanks. What the fuck, man? I have to drink anymore, yeah, man. Yeah, that's true.
That's a good start. Just be strong, my brother.
All right.
Mario, I am so sorry things had to turn out like this because you're really too young to be in this type of facility. I am just so sorry that I did not take the necessary actions as your aunt because I saw the road that your father was taking you down. I should have really stand up with you. I should not allow you to go back with your father that day when he come for you. But you're already there here, right? So you just have to serve your time. And whenever you come out here, I will be here for you. Alright? Me know say, right now you shouldn't even be at school. Good? But now we're here so you end up. It is what it is. And I'm just so sorry things turn out like this. So, Mario, you met any friends here?
No, auntie.
No.
Can't come home.
No, Mario, you can't come home. Whenever you do bad things, you have to face the consequences. That's just how the world works.
But auntie, bigger boy, they might just beat me up.
Them a beat you up?
Yes.
Well, there's nothing I can do right now. That's how you made your bed and that's how you have to lie in it. But I'll try to talk to the warden. I don't know if he can do anything about that. But all I can tell you is that just don't come here with the badness. Because those boys, they will definitely beat you here. Alright? So you have food, you have roll on, you have those things.
No, auntie, bigger boy, they might take them from
Them a thief, oh my God. You see? That's why you shouldn't follow your father's footsteps, you know. And on that day, when he was leaving with you, I should not allow him to leave with you. Because look at it now. I just feel so guilty for everything. Your mother not here, no, your father did as well. But never mind. Just serve your time And after you finish, I will be here for you 100%. All right, Papa?
Yes, auntie.
I have to go to work now.
No, auntie, don't leave me, please.
Mario, I can't stay here with you forever.
Auntie, don't leave me, please, auntie. No, no.
You see, this is why I talk to you and your father, you know.
No, auntie.
I have to go, baby. I have to
No,
go.
auntie, no, no, no.
Lord have mercy. You see where Frank put me now?
No, don't leave me, auntie.
Never mind. Your time soon done, man.
I got one foot in the sunbeam. I got one foot in the grave. I got one foot in the sunbeam. One foot in the grave. Got an angel on my shoulder. I got a devil up my sleeve. I got blue skies out my window.
No, get myself in no trouble. You know. Bad man, you know, I get no trouble with me there, so brother. And by now, you always scared now. You're not scared. Listen to my father.
Blue skies out my window. City in my bones. All these bright lights and shadows, and all these worker bees and clones. Ooh, city in my bones. The days are running by like wild dogs in Mexico. Days are running by like wild dogs in Mexico. Some things are meant to master. Some things we'll never know.
Yo, Frank. You want to put him one side?
I know what they mean.
Wait, Ladabag. Go feel Ladabag in that house. Alright, so you done watch a movie? Big up on yourself. Tell one to think about it, you understand? You know, see the hard work we are put in, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, ALTON-GORDON-ORIGINALS. You see the hard work, so please, thank you guys. Because of Uni, you know, man, the motivation and everything, you know, everything come from Uni, you understand? So make sure, say, you continue to share the video, continue to subscribe, continue to, you understand? Do the right thing. We're outside and we're inside and we are do the work. You understand? Time. Big up on yourself, people. One love, heart of love, big up on yourself. You understand? Okay, you know, pieces about the picture with dead, brother. We are worried about it. Yeah. Oh, boy. What you doing? Ready now, David?
Yo, you disappointed boy yesterday, man. How happened? You really make him man take away something from you. But you know my father. You're lucky. Yo, there's something for sure. Yeah. Next time we want to do it again. You can just do it easy way more than hard way. When I tap ball. Yes. One. Who fight? Mine. My father I tell. You have to go and boy. Follow your tell. Me not tell no lie boy. So I meet them.
Hold this up. Pull it through, man. You don't make me see it, man. Don't move anywhere, shot job. Because I go on.
Yeah, I'm willing for willing.
Hey.
What am I tell you? Say no.
Make him take it. Make him hold on for him like him and pull it. And yeah, pull it back. Don't back. Stay in the same position. Right now, Alton?
Yeah, I want to see it, element.
No, stay same place. Don't move, don't back. Come forward,
Come forward back like that.
Alright.
No, yes, sir. Come on, go change here now. Come on. Right.
Come back, element. Come back. Yeah.
Drop back. Right now. Right.
They walk back in. Me, I go walk in. While his head still on.
Wait, come on. Come on.
Hmm?
Come on.
Who?
Come on. Hey, come on, come forward.
Pedazo.
Yeah, that's
So when you was born, was fighting for
Ready now?
ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so walk in, man.
Keep your head down. Tap, eat, or drink. Ready now?
Ready? Action.
Heads up, eye open. Watch this. Real thing. We're gonna use funny boy and anyhow they don't want to do anything then. Full of win. Who say win? Me are the provi. See bullet them boy. You see any of your chat? He target me.
Wait. Let's go shoot him, you know.
I'm gonna shoot him for you.
Why you do that, so? And so they want to see you. They get a whole lot of fight. They don't say they want to see you today. They don't want a whole lot of fight. You understand?
Hey, then, what pronunciation? Wait. Go ahead. What are the songs? Let's look up the front.
Ready now?
Ready? Turn on my head.
Listen to me, tell him to yo, take it down a little bit. It come like you don't know who you are chat to, brother. Yo, just take it down a little bit. Hey, labor right, boy. Call me Andrew. Hey, boy, Andrew. I'm saying, make me go mash up my face. Yeah, I said Yo!
Yeah, man, I tell Andrew for us to
I just have a look for phone like you know, sweet, don't walk.
Say that again. Say that again.
No, we don't have to pull out good.
Say that again.
Very good.
Say that again.
I have to report it to pull out good for me. See a shot good for me.
Oh, I'm not missing. I just want you to help me, Shiner. Please, man, nigga.
You don't reach 24 hours yet.
You have to wait 24 hours before you can.
That's the law.
Think me no know someone want to kill me. Think me no know. But me nah me couldn't kill me.
Susie, I've most with herself and when she tell me say I tell you, you know. She say I play, she a play. And nobody never in her room.
She never look right. She look like she a mad old.
You know, say for other day, everybody want to come go like I said, they want to style me.
What is your daughter name?
Susie Guthrie.
Susie Guthrie?
Yes.
Who's Susie?
She not so good enough.
That girl I'm missing your daughter, you say?
I'm my daughter.
No, at first me I see her.
Please, me a beg you. You see, anyway you see her, just call put that number here at the police station and inform them say you see her and tell them when you see her. Please, me a beg you, because me got me one daughter and me can't find her.
Alright, don't worry, man. Everything good, alright, mommy? Yeah, man, sorry about that.
You have reached the voicemail.
Yeah, I didn't see over QQ bar.
You see her over QQ?
Yes.
What kind of clothes you see her in?
You know
Short pants, skirt.
Yes.
Yeah, no problem. I saw 4 cooking for her.
Yeah.
How long that? Go.
3 days ago.
3 days ago?
Yeah.
Alright.